Hi, my name is John. I am a teacher in Astana, Nur Sultan, and I first heard about Sarayshuk as a historical site of some importance very recently. And a friend of mine said, well, what you should do is you should go to Sarayshuk, that you should come to Attirau, visit that city, and then take time to go and see Sarayshuk. And at first I didn't believe there was a place called Sarayshuk, because I live on a street called Sarayshuk in Astana, and I didn't realise it was an actual place, but now I do. I have been absolutely fascinated by the history of Sarayshuk and the richness of the exhibits here in the museum in Sarayshuk, and also their generosity in sharing these exhibits with other museums, like the museum back in Attirau. What for me has been really interesting is seeing the importance that Sarayshuk has played in the development and continuation of the Silk Road. I've long been interested in this spread of information across peoples, across cultures, and it seems from my visit here and the very detailed presentation I received, thank you to Ms. Asiem, just how important Sarayshuk came to be for the development of not just the Silk Road, but this area of Kazakhstan, that it's been a cultural centre, it's become, I understand, a religious centre, that we see the development and the birth, if you like, of Islam in this part of the world coming from Sarayshuk. And it's just really put some big pieces of the jigsaw puzzle of Kazakhstan into place for me. So I'm really very grateful that we came here, and I'm really very pleased with the help and assistance that I've received here. So thank you to everyone.